This is a sneak peek about how our sales dashboard will look like. These are some illustrative live files, and the actual dashboard will be customized based on every client's needs. In this dashboard, the first bar on the left gives monthly sales breakdown. The second bar shows product wise sales in INR, and the line chart represents product wise quantity sold. This chart represents region wise sales in percentage. This chart shows region wise sales. This chart shows region wise sales broken down into months. These charts show average selling price movements of these products. This table shows product wise quarterly growth rates. This table shows customer wise monthly sales made. As these are interactive dashboards, if you want all the parameters in this dashboard to be updated for just the United States region, click on United States anywhere on the dashboard and the complete dashboard will update itself for the United States region. Similarly, if you want to check top 10 sellers of mountain bikes, click on mountain bikes anywhere on the dashboard and the whole dashboard will update itself accordingly. Now, go to the last table which shows customer wise monthly sales and sort it in descending order by clicking here, and you will get top customers for mountain bikes. Multiple filters can be applied by entering parameters on the top bar on this dashboard. For example, to check what were the sales made of the black colored road bikes and mountain bikes in Australia and the United States, who were our top customers, how did the prices move of these two specific products, and what were the growth rates. Just select these parameters on the top bar. Now you will get month-wise sales, sales in INR, quantity sold, average price movements, growth rates, and list of top customers. With this, you can drill down to the granular level of details for perfect decision making.